Ever pondered the correlation between self-esteem, confidence, and mindfulness? How can the ancient practice of mindfulness transform the way we perceive ourselves? These are intriguing questions that deserve a thoughtful exploration. So, buckle up for a journey into the realm of self-improvement with mindfulness as our compass. First, embrace imperfection. The first step to boosting self-esteem through mindfulness is embracing imperfection. A study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology suggests that accepting personal flaws can lead to greater self-esteem. So instead of trying to mask imperfections, acknowledge them as part of your unique charm. Second, practice self-compassion. The next step is to cultivate self-compassion, which can be as simple as saying and thinking positive things about yourself. According to research published in Clinical Psychology Review, self-compassion is linked to higher self-esteem. Just as you would show compassion to a dear friend, extend the same kindness to yourself. This simple act of self-love can work wonders for your confidence. Third, be present. Another critical step is to learn to be aware of your surroundings and present in each moment. A study in the Journal of Research in Personality found that individuals who are mindful of the present moment tend to have higher self-esteem. So, instead of dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about the future, focus on the here and now. Fourth, cultivate gratitude. Now let's cultivate a strong sense of gratitude for anything that makes a positive difference in your life. Research in the Journal of Applied Sports Psychology suggests that gratitude can bolster self-esteem. To practice this, take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Family, friends, or even just a warm shower. Even gratitude for small things can have a big effect. This shift in perspective can foster a positive self-image. Fifth, practice mindful meditation. Another valuable tool is to develop a daily routine of practicing mindful meditation. According to a study in the Mindfulness Journal, research has shown that regular meditation increases self-esteem. By quieting the mind and focusing on the breath, you can create space for positive self-reflection. Even short 5-minute daily meditation exercises can make a positive difference. Sixth, embrace the power of affirmations. Now, we can harness the power of affirmations to build your confidence and self-esteem. Research in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that positive affirmations can substantially boost self-esteem. Regularly repeating a mantra like "I am capable" or "I am enough," usually as part of a guided meditations, can change not only the way you view yourself, but also the way others view you. 7. Foster mindful relationships. Lastly, let's focus on fostering mindful relationships with people in your life. A study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships suggests that mindfulness in relationships can enhance self-esteem. This can be as simple as active listening in conversations and taking the initiative to suggest and participate in activities. In conclusion, embracing imperfection, practicing self-compassion, staying present, cultivating gratitude, meditating regularly, using affirmations, and fostering mindful relationships are 7 proven ways to boost self-esteem and confidence through mindfulness. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you can foster a healthier, more positive self-image. This, in turn, can have profound benefits on your overall well-being and quality of life. Remember, the journey to self-improvement is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey.